Hey guys, so this video is all about me going for a mall and buying some of instant noodles and cooking in a hotel. Yes, cooking in a hotel. All you want is an electric kettle. So whenever you go for a travel, always have this kettle so that you can cook your own food. It may be instant upma, noodles, soup, or anything, and you can fill your stomach and you can stop wasting your money on unwanted food. This is my room, and this is the balcony, other room, and this is the bus stand, JAMNAGAR bus stand. Peeps, this is my room in JAMNAGAR, Gujarat. The room is not good, and this is not a room tour. This is just showing you the glimpses of where I'm living in this city for 2 days. It's good. I have a TV, a Toshiba, a fan of my bathroom. I have my electric kettle. I'll cook Maggi now or noodles now. I've got noodles. I'll show you. Yeah, you might have seen in my shopping vlog where I'll be shopping all those things. I've got one big YY noodles. Then I've got YY Hakka noodles. And this I've tried before, YY, but YY Hakka noodles I've never tried. Yeah, let us try it. Yeah, peeps. So first of all, we'll put water. I guess so much is enough. Let the water get a boil. Then I'll put my Hakka noodles inside. I don't know which should I try, Hakka or the other one. The water has reached a boil now, you can see. Yeah, so this is what I've got, the Hakka noodles, a packet of masala and 2 sachets of soy sauce and red chili sauce. Now let me add this. Now my noodles should get a good boil. I'll keep it for about 3 minutes. My Hakka noodles is cooking. I'm in love with this kettle. Yeah. So I'm waiting. I'm very excited for you, man. For the first time I'm trying something new, and instant noodles is not a new thing, but cooking in electric kettle is a new thing for me. So I'm trying it for the first time. Excited, man. Cook fast, cook fast. And it's of pigeon. I don't know, can you see, because it's, wait a sec. Yeah, it's of pigeon. My instant noodles is done. It's in the kettle. So the thing is that I don't have any container or plate, bowl. I forgot to get it. So why thing I'll pour into this. Some I'll keep in this. It's not very watery. It's very perfect. It has cooked. So let me show you. I have too much. This is like for me enough for tomorrow also, I guess. So much I have. Amazing. Let's go.